अच्छा बन रहा है रॉकेट?
Auntie, you are too old for Lego.
Auntie, can you hold my Lego?
It's for everyone, okay? There's no age limit. Wow, I'm about to go on a cosmic journey with this Lego set that is literally taking me out of this world to the space. I am at Lego Space Station at Hamleys store in Phoenix Palladium, exploring the Lego Group's latest collection.
We love Lego!
Space has always been a hot topic in the Lego universe, with sets dating back to the 1960s. The Lego Group in recent times has really upped its game, capturing the true essence of human space exploration and nurturing the next generation of astronauts and engineers. And at the Lego Space Station, you get to experience the magic of space and so much more. Now, whether you're a curious kid or an adult, there's something magical about the Lego sets that sparks the creativity and imagination. For parents, it offers a chance to bond with their children as they delve into the world of building and problem solving. And for kids, it's not just about building towers or castles. In fact, it's about exploring endless possibilities and bringing their wildest dreams to life. Picture this, you are soaring through the stars, exploring distant galaxies and discovering new dimensions, all from the comfort of your own home. Thanks to the Lego Group, that dream is now a reality. The latest space collection is an absolute game changer, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. Well, there are more than 25 to 30 Lego space sets here in India, but I'm going to show you some of my favorites. Let's begin with this one. Well, this one is perfect for kids with a passion in science and technology. In fact, I'm getting this one for my nephew so that he can learn about the environment on Mars and rover's mission. Be it the Mars rover Perseverance, the interstellar spaceship, the classic Creative Planet, or the Super Robo playset, all stand apart with their attention to detail and accuracy. The NASA Space Shuttle Discovery is for all the aspiring Kalpana Chawlas and Rakesh Sharmas of the world. With its realistic details and modular design, you're surely going to feel like an astronaut exploring the new worlds. And let's not forget about the educational value of these sets. As you are building, you're not just stacking bricks or playing, you are learning about engineering, physics, and the magic of space exploration. It's hands-on learning at its best. Well, I'm totally enjoying being here at the Lego Space Station at Hamleys store, because here you can actually get a live demonstration of how these Lego space sets are coming together along with interesting workshops. So if you're a Lego enthusiast, drop by.
मेरा ये पोता 7 साल से लेगो का पागल बना हुआ है। इतने लेगो के खेल घर में बना के रखे हैं। खेलने से उसकी मेंटल पावर बढ़ी है, बोलने की शक्ति क्षमता भी बढ़ी है, दूसरों के साथ अपना निश्चय अपने विचार शेयर करता है और उसके साथ वो जो भी खेलता है पेशेंस उसका ज़्यादा बढ़ा है।
Really? What all have you made with Lego?
So big Formula One.
Really? Like how many hours can you play with Lego for?
Full day and night.
Full day and night?
Yeah.
Is that much you like?
Yeah.
Okay, how many pieces of Lego do you have at home?
Uncountable.
Oh my god, your mother must be getting tired of picking up all these little pieces. Do you tidy up?
Yes.
You do, right? Good boy.
He insists me, I want to go for a Lego workshop. It's going over there, so I want to go there. I want to be a part of it. He loves Lego. Since he was 1 year old, I used to get the small car and everything for him, you know, to try and make some small. Every birthday gift, I am sure Lego was a must for him. It was a birthday gift every birthday. He used to get Lego as a gift.
For drop by at the Lego Space Station at Phoenix Palladium. I bet you're going to have a lot of fun. See you soon.